The stealing of donkeys and killing them for meat is depriving many people of their livelihoods. People don't keep donkeys in Kenya for meat. They keep them for work. And that's why actually when this happens, always there is hue and cry everywhere, because then the users of these donkeys always are crying that actually we've lost our livelihood. So that's a challenge. We really would urge communities to be, one, vigilant in terms of the way they keep their donkeys, to really house them well, but then also we are urging the security agencies, please, these people who are stealing other people's donkeys and slaughtering them, that's really wrong, it's criminal. After the closure of those abattoirs, we are happy because we are receiving a lot of good news from community members. Of course, between 2016 and 2020, when the abattoirs were going on, we lost over 300,000 donkeys in Kenya. We will take long to recover those numbers. But then today, you go to a good number of villages, communities are reporting that actually new young ones for donkeys are being born, and there is a slight recovery. We may take another 2, 3, 4 years actually before we get the numbers there, but then we believe we are headed there. So that's why we continue to urge the government really let the donkey abattoirs remain closed.